The Airbus A350 has been a unique advantage in the flying business since its presentation in 2013 with its Boss eco-friendliness trend-setting innovations. What's more, unparalleled traveler experience, the A350 has turned into a top decision for aircrafts all over the planet. Anyway, its achievement isn't simply a reason for festivity for Airbus, yet additionally a significant cause of issues for its primary contender, Boeing. So what makes the A350 so one of a kind? For what reason is it introducing a significant hindrance to Airbus' most despised adversary, Boeing, to get going? Airbus A350's fuel productivity is a significant danger to Boeing 78710. The A350 uses progressed optimal design, lightweight carbon fiber composites and exceptionally effective motors to diminish fuel utilization in discharges. This makes it an appealing choice for carriers hoping to decrease working expenses and meet supported capacity objectives. Interestingly, Boeing's 78710 depends on a more conventional aluminum plan, which may not be as eco-friendly as the A350 as Airbus become progressively centered around manageability. The A350's eco-friendliness is probably going to give it a critical advantage over Boeing's 78710. The flexibility of the A350s demonstrates to be a significant test to Boeing too. The A350 is accessible in three variations counting the A35000, the A350-1000 and the A350-900 ULR Ultra Long Reach. This permits carriers to pick an airplane that best meets their particular requirements in terms of reach, traveler limit and freight limit. The assault doesn't stop here. Assuming we take a gander at the inside of both the A350 and that of the 78710, the A350's traveler experience is unrivaled to that of the 78710. The A350 highlights bigger windows, further developed lodge lighting, lower lodge commotion levels and a more roomy lodge plan. It likewise has a lower lodge height which lessens traveler exhaustion and further develops solace on low corridor flights, though the 78710 lodge configuration is more customary with more modest windows and a higher lodge elevation as aircrafts progressively center around, further developing the traveler experience. The A350 better plan is reasonable and give it a huge benefit over the 78710. Boeing isn't going down without a battle and have guaranteed the 777X, which brings a more adjusted match rather than the uneven beatdown. The organization is presently in anyway Boeing store network issues have demonstrated to be a steady thistle in the side to the passage of the 777X's entrance into business aeronautics. Aircrafts have set a huge number of orders for the airplane, however have yet to get them. When we jump further in the A350's request book, we can see that it's essentially bigger than that of the 777X. Starting around 2021, the A350 has gotten north of 900 orders from carriers all over the planet, while the 777X had as it were gotten around 300,150 orders as additional aircrafts decide on the A350. Airbus is acquiring serious areas of strength for and in the market and laying down a good foundation for itself as a central part in the avionics business. This could make it more hard for Boeing to rival Airbus in the future, as aircrafts might be bound to pick Airbus items due to their notoriety for quality and advancement, while Boeing is by all accounts in a negative winding and gradually becoming notorious for its production network issues and other breakdowns. The A350 achievement features the significance of development and versatility in the flight business as the avionics business proceeds to advance. Perceiving how will intrigue. Boeing answers the difficulties presented by the A350 and how its items keep on forming the eventual fate of AirVenture to every part of the A350's utilization of cutting-edge innovation in materials addresses a significant forward-moving step in airplane plan. Also, different producers are probably going to go with the same pattern to remain serious. However, don't exclude Boeing yet, as their 777X and their new 787 Dreamliner ought to be equally coordinated with the A350, or on the other hand could try and be better yet. Until Boeing has fixed their interior issues, the A350 will keep on being a significant issue for